It's time to get packing for Aquatica. Okay, so here's the deal. Cute little family trip that my mom planned for my sister's birthday. We're going to Aquatica for the Aqua Glow night. I'm super excited. It's gonna be me, my mom, my stepdad, my two brothers, my sister, my grandma, and my boyfriend. We're actually at a hotel, so me and my boyfriend, I think, are gonna have our own room, and then my mom, the kids, everybody else is gonna be like in this big like suite style room or something. It's been a long time since we've done like a proper family vacation. Like, it's just for one night. We're just going to Orlando for one night. But I don't know, like, it's just something so nice and sweet about like taking the time to get together and vacation as a family. Like, I am 100% an advocate of that. I feel like I'm like getting my toes wet into like the real adulthood of like planning family gatherings and stuff like that. I'm bringing my Rare Beauty tote, just this. It's just one overnight trip, so I just figured an overnight bag would do. Then this is my toiletry bag. I constantly keep things in here. Like, I don't unpack this bag, so then I always have it kind of just packed up and ready to go. This is my Huda Beauty makeup bag. I don't think I'm going to be bringing this because I don't intend on wearing makeup, especially because when we're going to the park, we're going at night. So it's like, what's the point? It's just gonna be dark. Like, girl, nobody can see you. But I might bring like my micellar water and honestly some blush, like maybe if I'm feeling cute and fancy. It's just for the night, and then on Saturday we're coming back home around like 12 or 1 in the afternoon, so it's not anything too deep. I don't think I really would need this entire makeup bag for. But this, I already have my swimsuit ready to go. My high-rise briefs, very family friendly. This is a family friendly water park, so I'm not walking around with a thong from Pink. I got literally like 5 years ago or something. Top from Jupiter Swim. They sent me this last year. Super cute, just like stretchy crop top that I think is cool for being wet or whatever. And then this came from a bikini set from TikTok shop. So the theme is like aqua glow. So everything in the park is supposed to be like glowing and neon and like laser lights and stuff like that. And white just looks good in like neon settings. You know what I like? It pops. So of course I had to wear white. I'm not sure what I'm wearing otherwise yet, so I might have to get back to y'all on that. I need to go to Walmart later to pick up a few things. I might stop by Marshall's as well because it's in the same plaza for like a cute little hair accessory, because I think I'm gonna like slick my hair up so it's just a poof. So then it's like easy to deal with when it's wet or whatever. So yeah, Walmart and Marshall's after work. I am in the middle of my work day right now, but I stopped because I wanted to start filming this video and packing a little bit with y'all. Since I'll probably be doing a poof, I think I'm gonna do my gold hoops staple, and then I have a little jewelry stack that I kind of go to. It's just a pink rhinestone, probably cubic zirconia, Kate Spade bangle, and then a Pandora bracelet. Okay, I know I said I wasn't gonna do makeup, but I think I might do these bronzing drops. I think that'd be really cute and fun. And these are the two main things I've been using in my skincare routine. The Biore UV Aqua Rich Moisturizing Sunscreen, and then the Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream from Peach and Lily. This is like my nighttime moisturizer, and this is my daytime moisturizer. So these will be coming with me. And then my Peach and Lily Collagen Cushion Peptide Lip Balm. So this is everything all laid out. I'm gonna bring this garage tote bag with me too, just in case I wanna bring it into the park. All of my skincare stuff, more skincare, the outfits. that's the gist of what I'm gonna bring with me. I'm not gonna show you everything because I feel like some pack with me's can get really boring and just like monotonous. Or hopefully you can see me okay. But we're gonna try and make this the quickest trip ever to Marshall's and to Walmart. Okay, so here's the list. Marshall's I need to go to first because they close at 9:30. Why am I out so late, you ask? I'm just a night dweller. Like, if I'm not dwelling early in the morning, then I'm dwelling late at night. Because I don't know, it's just like, it's more peaceful. I don't like the ruckus and kamuckus and all of that nonsense. Marshall's first because they close at 9:30 and it's about 9 o'clock now, so they'll be closing in 30 minutes. Do you know you have 30 minutes? Bye, love you. 30, yes. What am I going to Marshall's for? Accessories. I'm going to Marshall's for accessories. I want like I want one of the tropical flower. Why is there so much traffic? I want one of the cute tropical flower clips to put in my hair. Y'all know the ones that I'm talking about. Then we're gonna go to Walmart for like the real deal adult stuff. I need stomach seltzers. I've had food poisoning for the past 2 days. Yeah, so I have to get some more stomach seltzers. I need razors, hand sanitizer, like mini purse hand sanitizer. Walmart closes at 11. So I have plenty of time in there to just cause a commotion, you know. Although I am hungry. I'm hungry, but I have a stomach condition going on. I should have ate before I left, but I got caught up. I got caught up doing other things, working as I do. So we're just gonna have to go hungry. This is what I like. This plaza is so dang busy in the daytime. Situations. Come on, y'all. We look right. Hey. I'm not looking at the beauty section together because I'm not gonna do it. Straight to the hair. Yes. Oh, they don't have much. I sacrificed because I knew you could not sleep without. Meanwhile, I love you. You are my girl. You see, I fear I'm in the wrong section. The first cleansing balm, $6.99. Is it broken into though? I'm not buying something broken into. I'm not buying this. Let's go. One thing I'm gonna do though is check clearance section every time. We're not here for that. We're not here for that. Hair stuff. Check out. Will you shop at convenience store will be open again at 9:30 and 10:30 p.m. tomorrow. They close in 2 minutes. It's a good thing I didn't find what I wanted in here anyway. It's nuts. I was in there for a total of 2 minutes and then they said they were closing. But they ain't have nothing in there, no way. Ross was open. They're open until 10. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, don't nobody really be in here shopping for real, because this stuff would not be in here. These are cute. I've been wanting some of these, but they look dirty. But you're so still late and you ain't got to go. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Here's the thing with razors. I promise you, every time I get a razor that says it has refillable cartridges, by the time I need the refillable cartridges, I feel like they changed the razors. Because why do I not see the razor that I usually use, the one that says it comes with refillable cartridges? It doesn't look like it's here. Like, what's the point of getting a razor with refillable cartridges if you can't actually refill it and you have to just get a new razor every time? I might as well just use disposable razors. I'm gonna look at the ladies' razors. I usually use men's because I feel like they naturally come with more blades, but let's look at the girls' side. I'm getting sick. I mean, these ladies' razors are cheaper, but like, are they as good? Weight got me with the 5 for $5. I'm just gonna do these. You never know what God is gonna bless you with in the Q&A section. I'm trying to tell you. Oh, fruit storage stuff for $5. Sometimes you just have to know when to not fight. I wasn't fighting that Q&A section, not today. Let's get the rest of what we need. You ain't got to go. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight. Oh, gonna boogie tonight. And 'cause I'm honestly too young of a guy to stay home. New pet peeve unlocked. I detest when, okay, you know at Walmart when there's a clear enter sign and exit sign above the door. Nobody respects that crap. At least nobody in Florida. Nobody in Florida respects that crap. And so, when I get to the exit door with my basket, if a whole hurdle of people, I'm telling, it's a group of them, if y'all are coming through the exit door, best believe I'm not stopping and I'm not moving to the side for you, because they have that ish up there in English and Spanish, and I know that y'all can read. I'm not stopping or moving to the side if I am exiting through the exit door and you are entering through the exit door. I'm absolutely not. So I was coming out and I kept walking and I just said, excuse me. And I literally cut these people off. There's these group of teenagers. I cut them off at the door and said, excuse me, and cut across them. Because why can't you walk your behind into the enter door? You can always correct yourself. It's never too late. It's never too late. I'm getting ready to go to my nail appointment. It's at 6, 15 minutes away. And happy Juneteenth. I worked today. Yeah, that was my Juneteenth. I worked, and I worked very hard because I have tomorrow off. So y'all know how that goes. Like anytime it's like the day before you need to take a vacation is when the most work comes up. But this time it was kind of my own doing. Unfortunately, I am a huge Love Island stan. So I decided that I pitched the idea to do a Love Island watch party. And then, funny enough, everybody else started like DMing and commenting on our page. I work for like a restaurant and bar, to do a Love Island watch party. So yeah, they basically said, okay, great, we're gonna start it this Sunday. And we had pretty much only today to get like everything prepared and ready to go for it. It's a brand ambassadorship with this nail tech near me, so I'm still gonna have to like shoot content and stuff, and I need to find a trendy nail transition to do when I get there. I'm gonna grab my Sprite and I need my light. Like, she's just so someone's car is broken down, but I am definitely not the girl to do it. I was just trying to film a TikTok. Child, I don't think I know how to get home. So
my car died on me, but he's gonna give me a jump. I just want to give you a miracle prayer card.
Okay.
We just went to church. That's fine.
Oh, thank you. God bless you. Thank you. I hope you get home safe. Thanks. I don't know why I get so freaked out when people in public talk to me. I need to be better at being like cute, nice, friendly human, but at the same time, I'm sorry, I'm a petite black woman. I must keep my guard up literally 24/7. Y'all don't understand. I like people. I enjoy people when I'm comfortable. Like, not when it's like nighttime, not when I'm in my car. Like, don't come up to my window. That's not my favorite scenario to be in. The nails are did. I'll show y'all in better lighting. I just got home from getting my nails done. These are them. Aren't they cute? It's giving very much Under the Sea, very much Little Mermaid, very much going to Aquatica. I love them so much. That's this hand, and then this is the other hand. She did it a little bit different on this hand with it on the thumb. But now I need to fix my hair. I'm not going to do anything too crazy to it. I'm going to a water park. It's going to get messed up anyways, and then I'm going to have to wash it on Saturday. I am going to like look a little like poof or something cute to it, just so I look cute tomorrow, like throughout the day. I need to watch Love Island. I'm already like 30 minutes late to it, y'all. That's pretty much the gist of tonight. I'm trying to think. I'm probably going to do an everything shower tomorrow because I want to make it cutesy and aesthetic, and like with the sunshine in the shower, like our shower, it looks really nice in the daytime. Like the sun be hitting. So I think I'm going to wait until then to do an everything shower. And then I'll show y'all like what products I use or whatever. Be alright tonight. You ain't got to go. It's okay. Back in Walmart picking up band-aids for the tattoos and other stuff.
Alright then, that works.
Sorry if it's slightly loud. We're at the gas station getting ready to go back home to pick up our bags because my mom said she was on her way about an hour ago, so that means that we should be on our way. Stopped at Walmart. We got 2 more of these waterproof pouches. He already had one at home, but we got one for my brother and then one for either me or him to use extra for our phones. We picked up these band-aids for the tats because we just got them last week. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna close out the video here. Stay tuned for the family vlog. Okay, bye.